yes, credit card rewards can actually be taxable. And usually you'll know if it's going to be taxable if they're going to give you a 1099 in the mail. If they send you a 1099, usually if they give you over $600, then you'll get it in the mail, and then you'll know, yes, those rewards are taxable. Most of the time they're not. Like, say if you get cash back on your credit card, that is not going to be taxable most likely. Now, I want to make sure I show you guys what I mean about taxable, and what could be taxable, what's possibly not going to be taxable. Now, when you guys see like 5% back on a credit card like this, guys are going to earn 5% cash back. That's most likely not going to be taxable. Like, they're not going to tax you for that. Now, if you guys say, if we look up like Capital One, if you guys go to Capital One, you'll see that Capital One, they have a lot of credit cards, and a lot of their credit cards, they give out like rewards and things like that. So usually if you see like a bonus, you get it's $100 bonus. Oh my gosh, you guys, my computer is so slow today. Let's see. Like this one, $200 bonus, $200 bonus. Usually if your rewards is over $600, then you can be concerned like, oh my gosh, are they going to tax me for that? But like for these bonuses, don't consider it taxable. Do make sure you talk to an attorney, because I can't tell you for sure. But this is kind of the information I'm going off of, you guys. So that was a very